From the very first moment, that's when I knew all the dreams I held in my heart had suddenly come true. Knock me over stone cold sober, not a thing I can say or do. So baby, when you're walking with me now, my eyes are so wide, like you reach right into my head and turn on the light inside, turn on the light inside my mind. Yeah, come on baby, it's alright. Sunday, Monday, day and night, written blue on white, it's plain to see. Be mine, rainy, shining night or day. What's the difference anyway? Honey, till your heart belongs to me. If I had some influence, girl, from the powers that be, I'd have to fire the arrow at you like they fired it right at me. Maybe when your heart and soul are burning, you might see. Every time I'm talking with you now, it's over too soon. Every day feels so incomplete until you walk into the room. Say the word now, girl, I'll jump that moon. Yeah, come on baby, it's okay. Rain or shining night or day, there's nothing in the way now, don't you see? Be mine, winter, summer, day or night, centigrade or Fahrenheit, baby, till your heart belongs to me. Be mine, there's a bright short or long, when you got a love so strong, how can it be wrong now, mercy me? Be mine, jumping Jesus, holy cow, what's the difference anyhow? Baby, till your heart belongs to me.